Hey guys, this is our view from the Hotel Mio Vallarta. We had a great stay here. We paid about $200 Canadian a night on booking.com. Great king size bed. We really slept good here. Nice table for playing some video games, fast Wi-Fi, TV. We got a good fridge, double sink, a really nice big shower, great water pressure. Really enjoyed the shower, and a good bathroom. And maybe we'll get you upstairs real quick for a view of the pool. Thanks.
I dove into the deep end, 'cause I thought I could swim. We break up every weekend. Was it gonna be like that? Oh, I just wanted you so bad. Playing with my mind, was that your intention? 'Cause I'm missing you. Cause I'm missing you.
So guys, this is the rooftop pool that we've been enjoying while we are here. If you're lucky to get a spot, you are met with the lovely view of the ocean.
I dove into the deep end, 'cause I thought I could swim. We break up every weekend. Was it gonna be like that? Oh, I just wanted you so bad. Playing with my mind, was that your intention? 'Cause I'm missing you. 'Cause I'm missing you.
And if you feel like a drink or a snack, the bus staff are very friendly. Highly recommend. Welcome friends to Mazamitla.
Hey guys, this morning we are at the Hotel Leñador in Mazamitla. Mazamitla is at an elevation of 2,500 meters, has a population of about 12,000 people. We drove about 5.5 hours from Puerto Vallarta yesterday. What'd you think of your initial of Mazamitla, the town square, Jessica?
It was really cute, very clean. The roads were really nice little square. It's a Pueblo Magico.
It is a Pueblo Magico.
One of many in Mexico. And yeah, we had some nice coffee, some delicious tacos, and now we're gonna go on a hike.
Alrighty, guys, real quick, this is the Hotel Leñador. We paid about 75 Canadian dollars, booked on booking.com. We got a king size bed. We got, I don't know, mini balcony, some table chairs, TV, and the bathroom was just fine. Like, wasn't sure if we were gonna get hot water this morning, but we did, so happy for that. All right, guys, see you in the next bit.